Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids and parents. Today we will learn about nouns in a room. Let's start the adventure. Bed. Bed. This is a bed. Chair. Chair. This is a chair. Table. Table. This is a table. Fan. Fan. This is a fan. Light. Light. This is light. Door. Door. This is door. Window. Window. This is window. Wall. Wall. This is wall. Floor. Floor. This is floor. Ceiling. Ceiling. This is ceiling. Pillow. Pillow. This is pillow. Blanket. Blanket. This is blanket. Book. Book. This is book. Lamp. Lamp. This is a lamp. Clock. Clock. This is a clock. Mirror. Mirror. This is a mirror. Cup. Cup. This is a cup. Plate. Plate. This is a plate. Bag. Bag. This is a bag. Box. Box. This is a box. Pen. Pen. This is a pen. Paper. Paper. This is paper. Laptop. Laptop. This is a laptop. Toy. Toy. This is a toy. Bottle. Bottle. This is a bottle. Socks. Socks. These are socks. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.